how to transfer money from Greenlight to Cash App. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can transfer money from Greenlight to Cash App. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Cash App on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to tap on your profile icon, which is at the top right corner of your screen. Then you have to scroll down and tap on linked banks. Then tap on link bank. Then tap on continue. After that, you have to search for Greenlight Bank and tap on it. Then it will ask you to enter the credentials for your bank account, so just give it. After that, you have to move back to the main page of the Cash App. Over here, you have to tap on this dollar sign and then tap on Add Cash. Then just enter the amount that you want to add and then enter your cash pin. And your funds will be transferred from Greenlight Bank to the Cash App. So that's how you can transfer money from Greenlight to Cash App. That's all for this video.